Ultrakill has released a new update that caused a black screen to some of the devices. If you're one of them, then listen to this tutorial very carefully and I'll guide you on how to resolve this issue. So for those encountering the black screen when booting up the level, it's a problem with new shader that the game is using which doesn't render on lower end graphics card or OpenGL. Shaders are programs that control how graphics are rendered in games, and the newer or complex shaders may not work properly on lower-end graphics card, especially if they use OpenGL and older graphics card API. You'll have to wait for a patch update or upgrade your graphics card to resolve this issue. So you'll have to wait for a new patch or upgrade your graphics card in order to resolve this black screen problem. So here are the following steps you need to try in order to fix the black screen issue. It's not guaranteed, but the only way guaranteed is to wait for a patch update or upgrade your graphics card. However, some people have reported that when they try the following, the issue was resolved. So try to add this one, which is force-glcore startup argument to Ultrakill. This will force the game to use GL-core render, which might help if you are experiencing graphics issues with other renderers. So try to add this one, which is -force -GL-core. You can copy this. If you have downloaded the game via Steam, go to Steam, your library here, and then right click on your game, which is Ultrakill. Then go to its launch option here and paste this here, which is this one. Now, if you have the game is not on the Steam, just go to your folder where you have installed the game. So for example, mine is in the download section here on the file. So open this file, then open again the file. Now create a shortcut for Ultrakill launcher. So you can create it by selecting here create shortcut. After creating a shortcut, now right click on your shortcut and then select properties. Now on the shortcut here, there's a target here. So on the target, just at the end of this one, leave a space and paste this command here. As you see it here, -force-glcore. And after that, since this issue, I'm not facing this issue, but for you, you'll have to do it like this. And after that, apply it to save changes and try to launch the game. So you need to add this one as you see it here exactly like this. If you have do so, but you're still facing again the same issue, now let's go to the second step, which is force DirectX instead of OpenGL. And do the same by using this command, which is -force D3 D11 or -force D3 D12. Just do the same as I have shown you on how you add this, which is -force-glcore. You can go to Steam, right click on your game if you've downloaded the game via Steam, properties, and then on the launch option, paste this and try one by one. Or if you get the game, you have downloaded it, it's on your files, just go to your files where you've installed the game. Now here is your shortcut here. Create the shortcut as exactly I have shown you. Then go here on properties, then go to shortcut here on the target. At the end, just add it at the end there and then apply to save changes. After apply changes and then click OK, then test to see if the issue has been resolved. Also make sure to try this all too. If it still fails, then try the following. So update your GPU drivers. Even if you have an older GPU, updating your graphics drivers might help. So try to update your GPU drivers or try to run the game in compatibility mode. Try running it on Windows 7 or Windows 8 compatibility mode and check run as administrator. You can do like this. Just go to your files where you've downloaded the game. So I just open file location for my game, then open the Ultrakill folder. Then here is the shortcut which I have created. Just try any of the following. For example, this is the run application executable file for the game. Right click on the executable file like this, and then go to properties, and then go to compatibility tab here. Now make sure you run it on Windows 8 or Windows 7 and run this program in compatibility mode is checked. Then check this, which is run this program as administrator. You can also disable full screen optimization like this, and then you can try to apply changes. So just try one by one. For example, you can apply changes like this and try to launch the game. If it fails, then you can also disable full screen optimization, apply changes, and you try to check if the issue has been resolved. Again, these are not guaranteed. You can try. Some people have worked, some people they have not worked. The best way is to wait for a patch or update your graphics card. So the best way, wait for a patch or update your graphics card. So we hope the developers will read the patch for this issue so that they solve this problem for black screen. Let me know in the comment section which step has helped you. Also, if you know any step that can help you fix the black screen on Ultrakill, just you can share it on the comments there and help ton of people. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.